right, what's up guys? I'm here with my friend Camille LeBlanc-Bazinet, and I've talked her into doing a street parking workout with us. It's week number 19 of the 2025, round 2 of the 2025 street parking vault, and we're doing the team version of the Vermillion Bird. And we're gonna be here for a while. So here we go.
Yeah, start the barbecue. Wow, that bar is high.
You get the one behind you is a little bit lower.
Oh my god, is she making a comeback? Was that 9 or 10? Oh shoot. Let's start by counting my reps the right way.
20.
Don't put that switch back in. Not good for you overhead and oh my god, it's competing with so funny. So much
The best part of this workout is what's going on over here.
oh yeah.
30, right?
They've run every book we have, every book that is ever written. Jordan's gonna love this. We're gonna feel this after the wobble. The second run after the wobble, every do bug jump like this? Or do you do over?
Just like that, yeah. Let's do 2 sets of 25 each.
Okay.
Then we can do like a 15, 10 or something.
Okay. That's why I look at you.
15, count it.
13. Okay. It went down. I'm terrible at counting.
Hard landing?
That almost crashed.
Para hacerme una yo me registré. La cubeta en mi espalda.
yours is this one.
Okay, sorry.
And no, you're fine. I know because I tasted yours. I was like, oh, mine was more salty.
The seeds are simple yet complex. Depends on your perspective. My suggestions is respect. Direct your track of thought. You track the weakness. You acting weakly when you grab your penis. This ain't college or comic.
Pretty much at the top of my fuzz. All made a career out of working out with friends. Like, must like it Thank you. The alternative.
She
that was fun. So much more fun.
Chip away at it.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just glad she was counting. I would have been lost. I got lost a couple of times for sure. Yeah, I was very glad Miranda was counting because I was like not present.
What's the most challenging part?
Yeah, what was your least favorite movement? Mine was shoulder to overhead.
Oh, really? Well, I liked it all. I would say in the wall ball, I just started to feel my legs filling up. And I know I'm going to be sore from that. Just
The second set of box jumps were different than the first set for me. Like after the wall balls.
Yeah. So yes, they felt. This is gonna sound weird. They felt better for me because I knew I had to like go more with my arm, so I didn't rely on my leg as much.
I think like how we broke it up was good, and like the reps, right when it started to get annoying, you got to move to another movement.
Yeah. I thought the last set of shoulder to overhead, I was like, okay,
I'm ready.
I'm like starting to like really have to jump, and like the two last on the wall ball.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have picked 20 sets of 25 on the box jumps. So that was cool. That was a different strategy than what I would have picked, but I actually liked it because you did get like a pretty significant rest. Normally when I do team workouts, that was smart for this workout because it's so long.
Yeah.
Like sets of 10 or 12, we could have done it and like cycled through faster, but our heart rate
Well, I
would've
just
stayed higher.
think that
was smart.
like for me looking at this, the hardest thing was going to be the wall ball. And it's like you have to be strategic on the reps on the wall ball. Because if we did 25, then you start to lose your balance, you start to lose, and then
Right,
it turns into 10.
jumping off the ground,
and
throw it, yeah.
But 15 is not that much rest, so I thought.
I thought it was good though, because like sets of 10 would have been, it wouldn't have felt that much different and you would have gotten less. I thought it was good.